Everyone, this is Saminzi. I'm here on my YouTube channel somycrafty with an elegant tutorial of beaded jewelry. Today I'm going to make blue evening earrings and necklace, and I will show you how can you make your bracelet using this pattern. So I'm using in this project square shape stones in blue shade, and basically these are stitchable square shape stones. Here are material details you can see and note on your screens with things we need for this project. Basic material is stitchable fancy stone in square shape 12 mm. Now we have picked 6 seed beads and we are making 2 or 3 times knots to secure it. It's a basic loop for our necklace. Now we have picked one rondelle in blue shade, and we have picked one square shape stone, fancy stone in blue color. From front side we enter the rondelle bead and we go through its hole to back side. Now we picked 2 seed beads to fix our crystal bead. Now we have to pass through this crystal bead, these 2 beads. These 2 seed beads are added on back of stone. Now on back of stone we have to add 5 seed beads, and we pass through the next hole of our stone to add these seed beads, and in this way we added these 5 seed beads on stone's back. Now we will repeat the same process. We picked one blue crystal bead and we picked one more stone. We passed through stones one hole and we will go to back, and to make it stable we will add 2 seed beads here on back, and we will pass through back to front to add these beads here. Now we come back on front side, and now we will pass through our crystal rondelle bead, blue crystal bead. We pass through holes, our stones hole, and we go to back. Now again we will pick 5 seed beads and we have to sew through these beads on second stone's back. And now our thread is on front side, and again we will pick one blue crystal bead and one stone, and now we pass through stones one hole and we come to back side. On back we will add 2 seed beads. We pass through previous stones hole and we come back to front, and we will pass through blue crystal beads hole, and in this way we will add these 2 beads. Then again we added 5 seed beads, and when we picked our next crystal bead, blue crystal bead, and our stone, next stone, and we will repeat the same process. We will add 2 seed beads on its back to stable this bead and this stone. We have to join all these stones and beads in this way, and all stones we will add here. We will add on their back 5 seed bead, and between all of 2 crystal beads we will add on back 2 seed bead. In this way we will complete the whole process. So you can see we have added now 13 stones, and we have made 2 loops, beaded loops on both sides, because we will add later silver chain on both sides of this necklace. And now I will tell you an important part of this necklace making. We have to pass through our thread from throughout all the beads, seed beads we added on back side. We will pass through all the seed beads, and the purpose is to make it secure, our beads secure, and the other purpose we have to give a curve shape to this necklace back side. From its back, when we pull the thread, as you can see on your screen, we are pulling the thread gently. So when we pull the thread, it will take a curve shape. As you can see, we have done this, and now an elegant beaded necklace base is before you, which we made with blue square shape stones. Now we have to add 2 pieces on both sides of silver chain with the help of nose plier and with jump ring. We enter the jump ring in our beaded loop, and now we will close this jump ring. This jump ring is attached with silver chain, and same thing we will do on other side. 1 jump ring and 1 piece about 5 inches long piece of silver chain on both sides. And now we have closed the jump ring. Now we will add jump ring and clasp on the both ends of silver chain. This is clasp with jump ring. We have to attach it, we have to enter it to silver chain, and on the other end of silver chain we will add 1 jump ring. In this way we have completed the process of our necklace making, and now you can see an elegant necklace with blue stones is ready. Very elegant, very sparkly, and I named it Blue Evening Necklace, Blue Evening Beaded Jewelry. Now here is the process of making a dangle, which we will attach with our earrings. I will show you now how can you make earrings following the same pattern, Blue Evening earrings. we have prepared 2 crystal beads for dangle. Now this is a base which we made for earrings. Same pattern we follow in necklace making. We added these 3 stones with seed beads and with crystal rondelle bead. Now we have to make 2 loops on both sides, both corners of these stones with 4 seed beads. Both sides we added 4 seed beads. 1 loop will be used for attaching earring wire and 1 loop will be used for attaching dangle bead. Now we are making finishing knots on back of earring. We have to cut off the thread, and now you can see here is the base of earring is ready. Now we will add our earring wire with one we entered 1 jump ring to beaded loop, and then we added earring wire on one side, and other side, as you can see on your screen, we added 1 blue color crystal bead, 6 mm crystal bead dangle. Now in this way we completed the process of earrings making. Very sparkly, very beautiful color combinations of crystal beads and stones. I hope you would like it. Its color combinations. And here are the final looks of our today's project. And here I will show you how can you make a bracelet using the same pattern, following the same pattern. I made for you a bracelet, and I hope you would like to make it too. You would like to try these blue evening beaded jewelry with stones. Here are the final looks of today's project. Very elegant and very beautiful color combinations. Totally a new idea I brought for my lovely viewers for you. So if you like my videos, so don't forget to subscribe my channel, YouTube channel somycrafty, and my second channel Saminsi. I hope you would like to subscribe my second channel also. And here are final looks of my today's project. I will say bye now. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz and bye bye.